His gift was with science. Gone was the delicacy, the true passion of motherhood, of curdled blood, warm walls within a womb. One body, intact, the same skin, adorned over tiny bones, tiny hands, tiny eyes. I lie here large, larger than life, more than life, less than life. Do I have any life at all? I am fully grown, without having to have ever grown. My voice is mine, but it sounds different, new, altered. My arms alien to my legs. My feet a different shade, all together, not together, nothing fits together, yet I fit, all the same. Made, an item, structured, a structure, formed, a form, birth, he flinches at the yellow in my eye, my hair's refusal to flatten, to stick, to stand. He wanted me to breathe, but now my breaths are out of breath. Some breath, lots of breath, panicked breath, scare him. I scare him.